Welcome. If you want to turn on Gmail app icon badges for ongoing calls, here's a simple and updated guide to help you get this feature set up quickly on your phone. First, open your phone settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all installed apps on your device. Next, find and tap on Gmail from the list. This will open the app-specific settings. After that, select Notifications to view the notification settings for Gmail. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This section lets you customize different notification types that the Gmail app uses. Look for a category named Changes to Ongoing Calls or a similar label related to ongoing call notifications. Once there, you'll see the option to toggle App Icon Badges. Simply toggle App Icon Badges on to enable badges for your Gmail app during ongoing calls. This will allow your Gmail icon to display a badge to inform you about active communication or related notifications visually on your home screen. After enabling this, you can exit the settings. Your Gmail app icon should now show badges when you have ongoing calls, helping you keep track effortlessly without opening the app. That's how to enable Gmail app icon badges for ongoing calls through your phone settings in a few easy steps. Just remember the path. Phone settings apps. Gmail notifications. Notification categories, changes to ongoing calls. Toggle app icon, badges on. This update makes managing notifications more convenient and ensures you don't miss anything important while you're busy on a call. Try it out now and enjoy the clearer, more helpful notifications on your Gmail app.